This is the Tertill app for the Tertill automatic weeder. I have the robot off camera slightly over there. You'll notice if the robot is not turned on, there's nothing in the app. That's because the app communicates with the robot via Bluetooth. So we first have to turn the Tertill on. And now that it's on, you can see here is my Tertill. It's in standby mode. If it didn't automatically populate, I would just simply hit that refresh button and it would search for a new Tertill. Selecting which one we have, we get some information. Here we can see power status, so battery's at 100%. Clicking on it doesn't do anything. Temperature reading lets you know the ambient temperature where the Tertill happens to be. And then voltage. So this, if the Tertill was actually getting sunlight, and I'm going to try and hold it up to a light. Yeah, it's not getting enough light from a spotlight. Oh, there we go. There you can see basic wattage, letting you know what the solar is like for your Tertill. That's all on this screen right here. You can also see the current status of your Tertill. So right now it's in standby mode, meaning it's not actively going out and doing things. Coming back, if we come up to the sprocket right here, this is going to give us some information. Here we have our software update. Right now, mine is up to date. If there was anything that needed updating, it would be there. We have About. About's going to show you some interesting information. Off camera is the serial number for mine, the hardware revision, the software revision, manufacturer name, battery level, voltage, solar power, solar voltage, temperature, USB voltage, status, and comment, and build identifier. Selecting back, come back down. Here we have our upload data logs. So right here, it will pull information from the robot. So let's say you ran into an issue and it's doing something really weird. You would do this, gather all of that information from the robot so that you can send it to the manufacturer so that they can help diagnose what might be going on with your Tertill. I'm not going to let that complete because I'm going to come back. And then you have send information to Tertill. You have choices here as to what apps you want. Come back to our main screen, talk really quickly about this question mark, selecting that. Really, it's just going to bring you right to, hey, here's some Tertill information. Help us help you figure out what the problem is with your robot. And really, that's everything that you can do with the Tertill application for the Tertill automatic weeding robot.